These two impossibly easy Bisquick pies are a great way to use up some leftover turkey.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, the first recipe is called Impossibly Easy Turkey and Stuffing Pie. Starting off with a 9-inch pie plate that's been greased, add 2 cups of cooked chopped up turkey, or you could use chicken. Then you're going to sprinkle on 1/2 teaspoon of seasoning salt, and then 1 cup of cooked stuffing. Just break it up and just spread it around. Now you'll add 4 medium green onions, thinly sliced, about 1/4 cup. And 1/2 cup of cooked green peas. Mine aren't cooked, they're frozen, but they're going to cook in the oven, so don't worry about the cooking part. Just sprinkle them on. Now for the Bisquick mixture, that's 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of original Bisquick baking mix. And just whisk that together until it is nice and smooth. Probably should have used a bigger bowl. And then all you have to do is pour it on top of your vegetables and turkey and bake this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 45 minutes until a knife inserted in the center comes out clean. Super simple. There it is out of the oven. I think the next time I would make this, I would stir those peas in to the mixture a little bit so they wouldn't look so green all at the top, all in one spot. And you can also serve this with some leftover gravy. Next one is called Impossibly Easy Turkey Ranch Pie. So that's a 9-inch pie plate that's been greased. That's 1.5 cups of cooked turkey. Then on top of that, you will sprinkle on 1/2 cup of the cheese of your choice. The recipe asks for shredded Monterey Jack. I think this is white cheddar, or it might be mozzarella. I can't remember. It was a while ago that I made this. I think Swiss would be really good in this as well, or even Gouda. Then you'll add some vegetables. It's 1.5 cups of frozen mixed vegetables. I ran mine under some hot water just to defrost them a little bit and to separate them if they were kind of stuck together. And just sprinkle that over top of the pie. Now for the Bisquick mixture, that's 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of Bisquick baking mix. And you're also going to add in 1 envelope of ranch dressing mix, the powdered kind. And just pour it right in there. Then, using a fork or a whisk, blend that together until nice and smooth. And then you're going to take this and pour it on top of your vegetables and meat. Then you're going to bake this at 400 degrees for about 35 to 45 minutes until a toothpick inserted in the center or a knife inserted in the center comes out clean. And here is this one out of the oven. Vegetables kind of sunk in a little bit for this one. Here is a slice of that particular recipe, and here they are side by side. Now out of the two, I probably would prefer the ranch one. I like that flavor over just the plain stuffing and turkey one. Both of them were good though, and it's a nice, easy, creative way of using up leftover Thanksgiving or Christmas turkey. I loves me some Bisquick recipes, and I have a playlist that's full of them. Savory and sweet. Go ahead and check it out, and thank you so much for watching.